Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I'm Nisha. So let's start to solve Olympia worksheet 7, chapter 4, shapes and spatial understanding. Now start question number 1. Identify the quadrilateral from the following. So in this question, first of all, we have to understand about the quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? So quadrilateral, it is a closed shape. What is this? It is a closed shape with four sides and four corners. So these are the options A, B, C, D. In these options we have to find quadrilateral shape, the shape which has four sides and four corners. Let's start option number 1. So now first option, what is this? So count the sides of this shape: 1, 2 and 3. In this shape there are 3 sides and 3 corners. So this is triangle. What is this? So this is triangle. Now next shape, let me make it clearly. So like in this way. Okay, so now count the corner of this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners, 4 corner and sides. Count the sides: 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many sides? 4 sides. Go through to next option, C. This is circle, and circle has no sides and no corner. No sides, no corner. Now last option, what is this? Let me make in this way. Yeah. Now count the sides and corner of this shape: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides? 5 sides. And how many corners? Count the corner: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 corners. So this shape is pentagon. The name of this shape is pentagon. This is triangle, this is circle, this is pentagon, and this is quadrilateral shape which has 4 sides and 4 corners. So what is the right options? The right option is B. Go through to next question. Which one of the following is square? First of all, what is square? Square is closed shape. What is this? Closed shape, or we can say closed figure having how many sides? Having 4 equal sides. Okay, and this is also 2-dimensional 2D shape that has length, breadth, no thickness, and it has corner called vertices and edges, but no faces. Okay, so now see the options. Now option 1, A option. What is this? This is the tick mark sign, and next this is in this way long, like this is parallel lines, and this is triangle because it has 3 sides and 3 corners, and last one is square. Why? Because it has 4 equal sides, 4 corners. That's why it is square. So right option is D option. Now go through to next question, question number 3. So in third question, the black patch on the football is there is no clear picture, there is only single patch here, is here, but let me draw. Let me take other color. This is football. My drawing is not good, but still I am trying. So like in this shape, this is the patches. Patches like in this way. So here also, because it's very difficult to draw the patches with this side, with this corner, like now. Like in this way. Okay, so if we look at the black, this is black patch, this is also black. If we look at the black patches on this football, so they are closed shape. Okay, with how many sides? Let me draw here clearly. How many sides? Count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the picture like same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many sides here? There are 5 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners. Okay, 5 corners. So the shape is pentagon. Why? Because it has 5 sides and 5 corners. So that is pentagon. So which option is right? So C option is right option, pentagon. Because quadrilateral we have already studied in question number 1. Quadrilateral, it is a closed shape that has 4 sides, 4 corners. Hexagon, it is also closed shape that has 6 sides, 6 corners. And triangle, 3 sides, 3 corners. So in this shape we are looking that 5 sides and 5 corners. So correct option is pentagon, C option. C option. Now go through to next. What is true about square? Now very easy, because in previous question we have studied about square. Which one is square? Square is a closed shape, or we can say two-dimensional shape, that has breadth and length but no thickness. So it is a closed shape that has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Okay, so these are the options. We have to find which one is not a square. Okay, so first option, that is square because it has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Next, it also square because it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Next, this is not a square, this is different shape. Why? This is the shape of trapezium, because in this shape the 4 sides are not equal. Okay, so the shape is looks like in this way. Like in this way. So this is the shape of trapezium. Here 4 sides are not equal. Okay, so this option is right option. This is not a square. Now go through to next option, sixth question. So in this question, what we have to find in this question, which one of the following is the triangle. Okay, so yes, this is like very small here. So now find first What is this? What is the shape of this? This is open upside down V shape. We can say open upside down V shape with only two unclosed sides. Okay, so go through to B option. So B option, here what we are looking, let me draw it properly, like in this way, very small here. Yes, here these are the parallel lines, and these are the slanted lines, slanted. Let me write again. Yes, these are the parallel, like in this way, parallel lines, and these are slanted lines. And this is triangle. Let me make it in this way. This is triangle that it has three sides, 1 2 3, three sides and three corners. So right option is D option. Now go through to next option, option number 7. Yes, 7. So in this 7 question, not option, 7 question. So in this question, what we have to find? So read, what is the shape of the figure show alongside? Okay, this is the figure. So now first option, cube, cone, cuboid, cylinder. So the right option is cylinder. Okay, so cube, why we can't say this is cube? Cube is actually these four options are 3D shape, three dimensional, but there is difference. So what is the difference between these options? So like first, cube is 3D shape, but with how many squares? With 6 equal square, with 6 equal squares, with 6 equal square faces, like dice, example we can say dice. Okay, so what is the difference? Cube is also 3D dimensional, cuboid also 3D dimensional shape, cylinder is also 3D, cone is also 3D. But what are the difference between them? The difference is that now cube is 3D shape with 6 equal square faces like dice. Cuboid, it is also 3D shape. Okay, but what is the difference? 3D shape with rectangular faces, like uh, like a shoebox, or we can give the example of matchbox. Okay, so matchbox is cuboid shape. Now next, cone. If we talk about cone, so cone is also 3D shape, but with a circular base, and a pointy top. Example, we can give the example like a birthday party hat or ice cream cone. Okay, so next, cylinder. Cylinder is also 3D shape, with 3D shape. Okay, but with two parallel and circular bases, so these are the difference between them. So here the right option is cylinder. Okay, because in this shape we are looking, this is 3D shape with two parallel circular base. Okay, so go through to next question. Yes, very small pictures, small figures. So in this question, what we have to do, in these questions we have to find the sequence. Like now, first, the circle is third. Here the circle is third, Okay, the rectangle is after the circle, the triangle is before the square is second. Which one of the following is correct? So let's start. Circle is third. Find now in option 1, A option. Circle is third. What is the exact position of circle? Now in A option it is present at second position, okay, not in third position. B option it is present at third position, okay. So now C option it is present at third position, okay, sorry, third position, okay. So now D option it is present at third position. Got it? Okay. Now go through to next. Rectangle is after the circle. Here see in option A, rectangle. This is rectangle but shape is not like clearly. So this is rectangle like in this way, okay. So rectangle is after the circle. Here in option A, rectangle is after the circle, but no, rectangle is after the square, okay. So this is wrong. So go through to next. Rectangle is not after the circle. Rectangle is not in this option. Here is triangle, so wrong. Go through to next. C option. So rectangle after circle, the circle is third and the rectangle is after the circle, yes. So here this is the shape of rectangle, very small shape here, this is the rectangle, okay. So this is after the circle, this is right. And go through to D option. So after circle there is square, no rectangle, so this is wrong. Now next, the square is second, means square is present at second position. So let's see. So these both options are wrong. Now we have to find the correct answer from these two options. So C option. So square is in second position. See the position of square, that is present in second position. And if we talk about D option, so square is present at 1 2 3 fourth position. So this is wrong. So right option is C option. C option. Now go through to next question. Now in this question we have to find, like, look at the following figure carefully and choose the correct one, okay. This is the figure and we have to check this figure and give the right and find the correct option. So now first, the figure has 6 sides. So let's start. Count 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let me check. 1 second. This figure is wrong. Let me draw. My drawing is not good, but still let me show. This is now this one. Like in this way, not clearly, but in this way, that is the figure. This is actually not a right figure. So now let me give the numbers, letters. Let me give the name of these sides. Now first, yes, this is D, this is C, B, A, F and E, okay. So now first option, the figures has 6 sides. Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. How many sides? 6. So this is right. Now go through to next. The longest side of the figure is AB. So longest side, we have to check the longest side in this figure, okay. So AB, yes, this is longest side, so this is right. Now smallest side of the figure is D. Smallest side DE, this is right, smallest side. All of these, so all of these are correct options. So option D is right answer. Now next question 10. How many flat faces does a cuboid have? Just wait. So now these are the options. We have to find how many faces cuboid has. Okay. So we have already studied what is cuboid. Cuboid is 3D shape, okay. This is 3D shape with a with rectangular faces, like a shoebox, or we can give the example matchbox. I have already told it about it. Matchbox. Okay, so now how many flat faces does the cube add? So let's start to count. This is, let me draw because picture is not clear here. Let me draw it. Cuboid. Okay, so count 1 2 3 4 5, and back side of this is 6. So how many faces? There are 6 faces. C option is right options. Okay, so these are the questions in this worksheet. So we will meet together, we will meet again in with new questions with new worksheet. So bye bye, take care.